And the top of the morning to everybody. Thought I'd come down this morning and have a cup of coffee here on the deck out by the river. It's about 65 degrees, which I'm tickled to death about here in February. But I just thought I'd update you a little bit on what's been going on. I did go out paddling the other day, so I want to show you a little bit about the area I was paddling. It's called Cockroach Bay. Yeah, we've got the pelicans out here carrying on this morning. So I had a real good time, and so here are a few clips from that trip. Hope you enjoy it. Alright folks, here we are at Cockroach Bay. Getting ready to put in here. Get everything where I can be all comfy. Alright, this is a pretty nice day out today. Well, this was called Cockroach Bay, and I was curious how this got that name. So I went and looked it up. Now supposedly the first European explorers that got to this area saw so many horseshoe crabs here that they thought they were some kind of cockroach. So they called this Cockroach Bay. Now if you want to believe that story, go ahead. It made enough sense to me.
You ever had them come right up underneath you?
Nah. I haven't been in salt water too much.
It happened to me once last year. It was a little surprising.
Yeah. Well, the water must be warming up a little bit for these manatees to start coming up in here. I hope so.
For pointing them out.
Well, I looked over there in the water and I was wondering, well, what is that there? And I saw that big flat tail.
It was a rough January for them.
Yeah, it's been cold for here. Well, I'll have to check manatees later. I gotta get a little fishing time in here.
Well, this is mangrovey dark back in here. This is going right down beside that road I came down here on. What I'm doing is looking to see if I can find a place to take out right where I park sunny and I won't have to walk so far. Here in this kayak. I may have just found good place to fish. Well, check out all the kayakers over there. Whole crowd of them. Crowd everywhere today. Well, there's where I'm going to take out. Okay. I don't know, maybe there's a place closer. There's one closer. A few feet. Yeah, it's a little too low back in there. Well, if there's another takeout, good.
This next clip is about the GoPro camera. As I was coming around a bend in this next clip, I said that you could, well, I said it was the Tampa, St. Petersburg area, and I could see the Tampa skyline off in the distance, fairly plain. I mean, it was kind of misty, foggy, but the GoPro didn't show that up at all. And so I was really surprised about that. Apparently the GoPro can't pick up from distance, at least the model I had. So anyway, take a look at this clip. As I round this turn going out into Tampa Bay, like I said, I can see the skyline real quick. On this GoPro clip, you can't see it at all. So check this out.
There's the Tampa St. Petersburg area for anybody that's never seen it from this angle. And that's the open Tampa Bay. Kind of hazy out across through there today. there's some kind of ship or barge going through there. I'm gonna paddle out here just a little bit to take a look. Getting in some real shallow water here, you can see that. Hope I'm not dragging here in a minute. Well, I've tried 5 or 6 different kinds of bait today, and I came closer to hooking myself, hooking a fish. I gotta check this out. Yeah, there's a live one. There, that's the shell and what lives in the shell. I guess if I didn't have any groceries at home, I'd be eating that, because that's all I've caught today. Alright, we'll let this go back out and play. Something else that's around here, look at all these oysters on these mangrove sprouts here. And I think that must be one way that mangroves propagate, is put down these big long tentacle kind of root things. And I'm just guessing this, but I bet more mangroves will grow out of that after it roots. But these are all oysters, and after the tide comes all the way in on real high tide, they'll be underwater. Anyway, not much fishing today, but a lot of good exploring. Alright, this looks like where we're getting out of here. There's a little space right there through the mangroves. Looks like as good a place as any to call an end to this. Man, look at all the bugs. Oh, those are okay. I know where to find a good supply of those now. Fiddler crabs. That's a real big good bait. Maybe I found out something here. I won't get them today, but let me see if I can show you these. Look at all those crabs scurrying back up in the weeds. Well, they've scurried and got away. Alright, I know where to get a bunch of these now anyway. Okay, I don't know if you can see them, but all these holes have one of these crabs. And these crabs are real good fish bait. So I know where to come next time when I get ready to go fishing to get some good bait. We'll see what happens then.